Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, want to take up the Avanti version 2 80mm from Freewing. Take it up, have a little bit of fun. I got my son Gabriel filming for me. It's a windy, cloudy day, but it's right down the runway, and I love windy, cloudy days for jets. So, high rates. Got a 5200. You know what? I don't even know. I know it's an SMC pack, but I don't remember if it's a 5200 or a 5100. It's 5,000 though. All right, it's actually a 5900 SMC pack, but I have it charged the regular rate, so it makes it a 5100 or 53 or 5,000. I don't know. We'll see it when we take it out. Anyways, 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2 with satellite, and it's got the Freewing brand afterburner in it. I still have not changed that out to KM model. Timer set for 4.5 minutes. High rates. Avanti 2. Pure fun machine. Here we go. Don't need takeoff flaps with this kind of wind.
Gear up.
All right, gonna take it up now. Turn the motor off. Take it up again, flip it.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Outside sticks, inside sticks. All right.
Gear down.
See if we can't get a little touch and go action here. Oh, slap and go, really? Try that again.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
There, that's what I was looking for.
Gear up.
All right, fast pass into the wind. All right, take it up, flip it. Now, fast pass with the wind. Yeah, she's a moving.
Gear down.
All right, let's get ourselves a landing.
Landing flaps.
Tell you what, I do love sport jets. Gabriel, can you step back behind the orange lines, please? Thank you. All right, now reverse thrust on this.
Braking.
You hear how I eased into that? Do not hit reverse thrust suddenly. You want to ease into it because it is so effective on this particular model. That nose will immediately dip into the ground, and I've actually had the nose hit the ground despite the nose gear being down because of that reverse thrust being so strong. I mean, it stops you that quickly that you just nose in. So just be careful with it. All right, take off flaps this time. Don't need them, but we're going to use them anyways.
Flaps gear up.
All right. Go out here to the road. Take it up. Kill the motor. Motor's back on.
Gear down. Time remaining
Back
1
out.
minute.
Back out to the courthouse or to the clubhouse again. I see that my gear is down. Okay.
Landing flaps.
Start my flaps down, start slowing my roll. Actually get over the runway this time. Let the grass be my natural brake here.
Flaps up.
That was a lousy landing. We're gonna do that again. The Avanti is actually quite, watch the nose.
Braking. Brakes
Well,
off.
I was going slow enough.
30 seconds.
We're gonna redo that landing.
Landing flaps. Braking.
Yeah.
Brakes off.
If you notice,
Flaps up.
that nose dipped down just a little bit. Had I been going, hit it harder and faster, it would have nosed down even more. All right. Redeem myself with that landing.
Braking. Timer expired. Brakes
All
off.
right. 3 seconds over on a 4.5 minute timer. Will total stick time. My flying rates that I flew, ailerons are 130 or 100%, 35% expo. Elevator 100%, 35% expo. Rudder 100% with 50% expo. Flap settings are flaps up -100, takeoff flaps
Takeoff flaps.
-50. They're split flaps. Landing
Flaps.
+25 with a 15% down elevator
Flaps
mix. All right, let's go over. We don't have forward programming because it's Lemon RX Gen 2, so the rates are adjustable on the dial based upon the flying conditions of that day. Or I could have the limit set on the pots on top of the receiver, but I just keep them adjustable from 0 to whatever the full limit is. So, all right. Like I said, we had 3 seconds over on a 4.5 minute timer. CG on the plane is actually on the wings. It's right there. On this kind of a plane, you want level to favoring nose heavy, which is what I got, favoring nose heavy. Okay. And CG, the actual number is, I don't know. It'll be in the description of the video, but you can feel for it on the wing. It's actually got raised letters. This is where I have the 5300 actually, 5300 SMC pack, all the way, you and manual or auto, all the way forward on the first wood tray, right there. There's my 7-channel. There's a satellite. There's the receiver, and unplug the Freewing brand afterburner. And 12% left, which is okay, a little lower than I like to be, but with 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36. Okay, there you go. That is the 80mm Avanti S version 2 from Freewing with a livery decided upon by viewers, which is kind of cool. So, all right, well, y'all have a good one. God bless you. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. Jesus is Lord. And that's the Avanti 280mm. Gabriel, thank you for filming. And it's windy. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.